Welcome. You will hear the story of a knight on his quest to defeat an evil mage and save the princess of the kingdom. If you want to start from the beginning, say level 1. If you want start from the part when the knight go to take the items for his quest, say level 2. If you want to go to the part where the knight fight with the first difficulties, say level 3. If you didn't understand something or you missed it, please, say repeat.
Level 1.
Once there was a glorious knight, whose duty was to help the people of his kingdom. One day, the daughter of the king was kidnapped by an evil wizard, that lives in a faraway castle in a faraway land. So the knight, ready to fulfill his duty, searches a place to buy some items for his quest like a store, or a shop. But he doesn't know where's the nearest one. Fortunately, a general appeared near him, so the knight asks him indications.
Hello.
Hi sir. Do you need something?
Where is the shop?
Yes, it's behind me. Just go straight forward. And remember to knock before entering. The knight, thanks to the help given by the general, approaches to the shop.
Knock.
The knight entered in the shop, saw an humble shopkeeper near some objects, potions, weapons, wands, and many other things stored on the shelves. But the knight need precisely few items. These items are written on a list, so the knight approaches to take it.
My list. Weapon. No, thanks.
Farewell. Be careful, man. Your quest will not be simple.
After some days, far from the village where he was at the beginning, the knight saw something on the distance. A rock? A giant? A castle? Nothing was certain. The knight must advance. And then, suddenly, a goblin, one of the last in the kingdom, challenges the knight. The knight was hesitant. What he was going to do? Accept or refuse?
Accept.
The goblin, hearing the answer, prepared himself for the battle. The knight, ready to face his enemy, attacked with his sword.
Attack.
The goblin felt the hit, attacks as well.
Attack.
Defeated the goblin, the knight kept traveling to reach the castle of the evil wizard. A castle that is visible on the horizon of the poorly green forest.